Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to appear offline on TikTok. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So there are two ways that you can follow, but first of all launch TikTok application. Now once you are here, make sure that you are signed in to your account. Now simply tap on the option of profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. With that, you will be led to your TikTok profile. Now simply tap on the three lines icon at the top right corner of your TikTok profile. Now simply tap on the option of settings and privacy at the bottom. Now once you come here, simply tap on the option of privacy under account. Now you will be led to this page. Now at the second, you can see the option of activity status. Now you can see that the toggle for this option is turned on, which means that your followers, following, and your friends on TikTok will be able to see your activity status. Now if you turn off this toggle, your friends, your followers won't be able to see your activity status. Now, after you have turned off this toggle, you have successfully been able to appear offline on TikTok from now onwards. So this is one of the steps that you can follow. Now let me show you another step. Let's go back. Now simply tap on inbox at the bottom. Now, once you come across your inbox, just at the top beside inbox, you can see a small green dot, which denotes that you are appearing online on your TikTok profile. Now, simply tap on the green dot just beside inbox at the top of your screen. Now, simply turn off this toggle besides activity status at the bottom, and you can see that the green dot has now been turned to gray, which means that from now onwards you will be appearing offline on your TikTok account. So follow these easy steps and you will be able to appear offline on your TikTok. So this is it for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.